We set out that day to hunt whitetail, but had a turkey come in, left in the opposite direction. She called him back, made the perfect shot, and wound up with her first archery turkey.
Mom shot it. We're going to fix it up. I got them cut off. So what we got to do is we got to take these rear pin feathers off. See how that opens right up? And all that meat right there?
Chop it out.
So we're going to cut that off. Cut the pin feathers off. Right straight down, just like that. See how that exposes all that meat? And then we got to flip it over. And these pin feathers on the top.
I want all the feathers.
We don't need all of those big feathers on the front. We'll save a couple of them.
Can I have all the
Take about
feathers?
half of them. Cut right straight down again. Have a casualty on the one side, but that's all right. Gotta watch your fingers, okay? Gotta protect your fingers. Okay? See there? That'll all open up.
I want that.
See that meat?
Hey, can I have that?
See that meat right there?
Elyse.
We'll cut some of this off. You don't really have to cut it right off, because this stuff that we're going to put on there, really, all you got to do is kind of open it up with your knife, like that. See how I did that? On the front, then you do the back. See how that big cluster of meat is right there? All we got to do is open that up a little bit. Like that. See where that tailbone's at? We'll cut a little of this meat off right here. That's pretty good if you just want to. It's like sushi. Okay. Did you eat that?
Yeah.
What? You threw away the best part? Steve Ranella eats the stuff raw. Of course, he eats monkey butt raw, too. Okay. See how that is? See that? That's going to open. We're going to open that up here in just a second. But now what we got to do, good old dry preserve, put on there. We rub that right in good. Front and on the back. Like that. I got this little wire brush. Grind that in there good. Yeah. Front and back.
Come back here with mine. It's mine. Come back here, you go, let's go.
See how that does that?
That's my pom-pom.
Rub that in there real good, just like that. Put it on this board. We'll kind of fan it out. Something like that. Some guys really spread them out too wide. They look kind of funny. But this one doesn't need to be spread out like that. So we're just going to take this board, put like that. Take a little, put your hand right there. Push down on that. Push down on hard. Go. Get right where your palms. There you go. Put one on the other side. Hold it right down. I'll hold it down. Okay, now put that one.
You can do it too.
Yep. Oh yeah, like Elyse. She got it down.
Oh, but I have had it.
It's mine, though.
Push
Mine.
her right down. There, you got her. You good? Good.
Oh.
There. We got that done. Take a little more powder. You can't ever get too much of the powder because it'll come right off. See how we pack that up underneath there, like that, Charlotte? There's the tail feather. That was almost a double beard. See how these protrude off here like that? I think technically that's a double beard. Once again, we cut that meat off. The gristle. See that? See how it's all clean? And we take some of our dry preserve, we just rub it right in like that. See that? All right, then we take some tape. We put around it. So like that. We take some of this, put it right on top. Preserve, we pack in there. Like that. Okay, hold that.
I'm done.
Now we
I even have this.
seal it. Just like that.
Yay, I got a pen just like Charlotte.
See how that holds that preserve in there? Sure. See how that one's preserved for right now. We put that right there.
No, I want a pen
And
just
the
like
feet.
Charlotte. And then
What we're gonna do with the feet, we're
tiny
gonna leave them whole right now.
one. Mama, and the
We're
baby.
gonna leave the spur on there, but we're gonna fix the feet up a little bit. We'll do this real quick. Just open up the toes. You don't have to worry too much about, but the palm, you need to open that up a little bit and push some of this dry preserve in that. Don't take very much. And then we take some tape and we'll strategically position the toes into a kind of a decorative position. You'll cut me off some more tape. I didn't cut that long enough. Wrap that right around, right in between my fingers. There you go. And this is commonly known as ripping the beard. But see, what we'll probably do is we'll cut that spur off, maybe, or we'll cut that off right there, and we'll make like a arrow rack or a gun rack out of it.
Hi, I'm Elyse the Archer, and we're gonna do that turkey.
The turkey you shot, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw me shoot it.
Now we're going to put it together.
Mm-hmm.
All right. First, we got to get the plaque. The plaque we made. Custom made. Ready? All right. This is how it's going to go. First, we're going to attach the wings. Okay. And remember, last fall, we put them all on a board, stretched them all out, cleaned them all out, preserved them and everything. Remember that? We had everything all dried out, and it dried all winter. And now we're going to put it on the board so we can get it on the wall. All right? First thing we do is make sure we got the left and the right on the right sides of the board, right? And I've already got them fitted, so all we got to do is we put them on. And see where that corner is right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's right about where that one's going to go, just about like that. Take the drill. One of these handy dandy little screws. Oop, wrong drill. Need that drill.
The one you were playing around with earlier.
Yep. This is a hobby of ours, isn't it?
Yeah.
We don't do it.
When I was younger,
Yeah, we don't
I
do
used
it.
to collect the mini feathers from when they were making these, and I made my own tiny ones.
Yep. And but this is a hobby. This is just a hobby for us, for our family.
Mm-hmm.
I've been doing taxidermy since I was 14 years old. I learned from one of the best in the business, Mr. Duane Johns. God rest his soul. I started doing taxidermy when I was 14 years old, and it's just been a hobby. I don't do it for a business. I don't want to do it for a business. And believe me, my grandkids keep me busy enough. I mean, they keep me busy. They turned into
Hunting
quite a band
machines.
of hunters.
Hunting machines, probably.
Hunting machines. Yeah, you put that light like hunting machines. It's all about preserving memories, right? Remember I told you that? Let's put another one up there. That one didn't quite go as far as I wanted it. There's no science to it. It's like working on cars or anything else. There's the wings. All right. See how that's going to look? Oh yeah, that's going to look good. We'll have to re-glue the feathers on there because I kind of put them on there early for the beard. But all right, now we're gonna put the tail on. It was a real nice bird. He kind of beat his tail feathers up just a smidge. Yeah, I'll get that there.
There goes that.
There goes that. Huh? This is gonna go on. Hopefully, something like that. Let's see how that goes. And you know what? If it's not exactly perfect, who cares? It'll still look nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That's shaping up real nice. The one mistake a lot of guys make when they when they have one of these mounts done is sometimes they forget to tell their wives just how much room they take up. These things take a great amount of area on a wall. Wrong screwdriver. That's the backing plate. So as you can see, it's kind of coming together, right, Elyse?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna flip it over, and it'll kind of lay it just like that. Now we're gonna do the beard. All right, and I need that little bottle of glue. We're gonna put glue in the hole right there. Put a little right there. Nice thing about this too is it's kind of self-gratifying when you do this stuff yourself. Set down there. Give me those, and give me the feet. See, we cut cut the feet on a little angle like that, and always cut them so that the spur sticks up, so you can see it. I had that hole marked. Oop, and we'll do the beard last. There's a lot of different ways you can do this, but simplicity usually is the best way. I get asked all the time, hey, can you do mine? Will you do mine? I got somebody that needs one done. And I say, nope, this is just a hobby. We do this for the fun of it. No. Usually I have to put a piece of tape over that beard to get that, till that super glue actually holds. It might hold so I can pick it up if I'm really careful. But there it is. Ta-da!
I'm Elyse the Archer, and this is my first archery turkey.